name is Amy.
And I'm Victoria.
We are from Science for Kids, and our experiment today will be on chromatography flowers.
The ingredients that you will need are coffee filter, water, a cup, and any color of marker.
You can even use multiple colors at once. First, you draw a circle or a line in the center of the coffee filter. Make sure to draw thick lines so then the colors are enough. As you can see here, the line isn't too thick or too thin, and it has some space between the end of the coffee filter. Once you're done drawing your circle or a line, fold the coffee filter in two halves. Now place the coffee filter in the cup filled with water. Make sure that the water touches the tip of the filter, but not soaking the whole thing. Oh, and also make sure that the color is facing outside. So after a few minutes, you should see that the marker's color gradually making its way to the top of the filter paper. See, so this is how it starts off, and this is how it should end up in a few minutes.
So why does this happen? First, let's find out what chromatography is. Chromatography is a process of mixtures, components separating. As the solvent moves up the paper, it brings the ink along with it. Let's take a closer look at the ink. Ink is a solution with different molecules that have different characteristics. Due to their differences, each molecule has its own pace while moving up the filter. The lighter particles move more quickly than the heavier particles. When water makes the ink run, the color that has the lighter particles moves at a different speed than the color with the heavier particles. This difference in speed causes the different particles to separate, allowing us to see many colors that were mixed together in the ink. As you can see, there were many colors hidden in the black ink. There's blue, green, and red. Since green traveled the furthest, it could be assumed that the green particles are lighter than the blue or red particles.
That's all for this experiment. Thank you for watching.